complete the counseling session. So we'll discuss all these things to now. So what are the different things? Earlier classes already we have discussed that concept of counseling and the counselor and counselor relationship and what are the different approach and technique of counseling. But in the counseling, the different method of counseling, three method we have discussed: directive and non-directive and eclectic. So that if someone is the from MA education background, so they should keep in the mind directive, non-directive, and eclectic, because these questions are always coming in the net and TET also. So that is the very important for you people. So that directive, once again I am giving the recapitulation of the last one. Directive counseling means counselor centered. Counselor will be active and problem centered. Problem giving more emphasis to the problem. Then when we are going to non-directive, that is the counseling center, and we are giving that more emphasis on that emotion rather than the problem. So this is the difference between both one. And when we are going to that eclectic one, that will be the combination of both one. As per the requirement, we can use the process of directive and the process of non-directive also. So the both one when we are combined together, that is coming to the eclectic counseling. So these are the concept behind these three method of counseling: directive, non-directive, and eclectic. I hope these are the clear to you. So again, we'll moving forward. So we'll see that how the counseling session we can, how we can process that one, and what are the different skill we require for that purpose. We'll see that one. And I hope all of you have joined in the Google Classroom. I have not seen. I will check also now in front of you. So you can get it over the material over there. All the material I have shared in the chapter wise there. Anybody who have seen, you can share your experience. If you have seen, so you maybe that you have seen that one there. Have you seen in the Google Classroom? Hello.
Sir, I want code. Google Classroom code.
Already I have shared in the last session. No, again I will share today also, and accordingly we'll check also who are joined over there. How many have joined? They can chat in the chat box. So how many of you have joined there? Once again, so we'll starting that fact in counseling relationship. So what is the fact we require? As a already we have seen, so that what are the things we require and how, what are the different process, but how will, so what are the different fact is required for that one. Now we'll check it and we'll discuss accordingly. Then that process will be very easy and that will be fruitful meaning. Otherwise, just will complete, no useful. Then what we can say that if we talk about that counseling session and the counseling process, basically as a teacher, if you worried a teacher concerned about our sound is okay. If there is a problem, you can chat in the chat box so I can know the thing. So that is there any issue and something. When we are as a teachers, if we are concerning our student, okay, Deepa, I will give. Again today I will share the way. So that is that if as a teachers will concern with the student who has having some problem, either the class problem or family problem, any problem, whatever is there. So that that is the thing is there. So then as a teacher, what we can do? So that your as a your friend, you want to be a teacher. So how will help your student? But feels that working closely together, she will be drawn more and more into that problem in a conversations with you. So that is this is a very difficult situation. Whereas as a teacher, you should be giving some advice to your friend as well as the student also, and you should counsel that the student. You should counsel student that the counseling to the student is to and uh, actually I suggest you a little bit about this one so that as what responses. So how you can give that advice to your friend as well as the student. That means as a counselor, as a teacher, when you will be act as a counselor, you help to the people. So that is that thing is there so that you back up and let our families sort out their differences first. So that is so. What are the differences between their her family or his family and relation attitude and relationship along with the child? Then you should go that professional things differently, and then you should explain about the behavior of the student so that we shall discuss and sort out a plan of actions. So that is it's first you should explain your the behavior of the child in front of your friend and something maybe that might some sort of problem you having to that your by yourself, but even in disclose your friend maybe they are some sort of experience. So then by discussing to yourself, that means as a teacher you can find out some reason or some solution, so that will be helpful for that you. Otherwise you will found so that I can do everything very difficult. So that is some sort of sharing we require, and then you can lot of concerns about which or her whatever student you want to discuss about the problem. So you that as a student you should concern his or her family. Then if with concern to his or family, then you can find out some problem. And as a teacher, it is very difficult for you to choose what response to give to her or the child. So that nowadays we have seen the maybe that we have discussed and we have seen in the different via in the first chapter, second chapter also we have discussed is expected from the teachers. What we can expecting from the teacher nowadays. Uh, so many things people are expecting from the teachers. If I will discuss in the present situation, and if you can discuss your parents, if like someone, yeah, someone parents a teacher, no, someone parents a teacher whose parent is teachers or guardians is teacher, they can come forward. One is the Sumita, but we can't listen her properly. Apart from Sumita, whose parents are teachers, please can you help me? Anybody whose parents are teacher now? No one. Am I audible to all of you?
So mother.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, mother and father, anyone whose mother is teacher.
Hmm. Mother always teacher and guardian and father.
Leave it. But in an actual teacher who is in the school teacher, I am asking among your parent, anyone is teaching in the schools? That means anyone is teacher? That is my question. Among you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Litens. What is your parent now? They are teacher.
Always my mother and father guide
Okay, it's
to
okay.
study level first.
I am not asking the guidance. Whose parent is teacher? Anyone parents is teacher? They can
No,
chat
no,
so that
my,
explain that for explaining purpose. Please come forward. If anyone is the teacher, then I will discuss about this one. Okay, no, sir. It's okay. So that if you will found now, so that teachers having that great responsibility now at present, they are more expecting from the teachers. Very now that they are not doctors, even though many of our teachers are they are educated in that duty in the different area. They are controlling the whole the situation, and not only apart from this one, actually that so many responsibility they are taking care of the society. there is a faith, even that sensors and the others also, so many now material, the food item, everything now teacher are taking the responsibility. So there is more expectation from the teachers. They can control the situation. So that thing we need to understand. And as a counselor, there is some certain role and responsibilities. So that we'll discuss those one also. But first we'll discuss what are the different facts in counseling. First one, the training of counselor. Really, if we are doing the trainings, that counseling session, then there should proper training for the counselor. Then they can handle the situation. They know certain fact what they require and how they proceed. If they don't know how they proceed and what they will do, very difficult to complete the task for them. And, because that counseling session is required a certain process and certain procedures. If they are not trained, then they are may unable to complete that particular process. And when they will not follow the process, it will not complete. So that is the main thing is there. And but real that we should train them as how we can complete the counseling session. That then counseling is much more than organized collection, because that is the otherwise the without training, if they can't complete the thing in the organized way and it will be in organized way, then very difficult to do so. So that should be proceed in organized way, then it will be fruitful meaning. Then next one, interpersonal relationship, that is a very much effective, having the more roles, the interpersonal relationship, because this relationship between how we relate to the others, to myself. So that if we are not able to make the relationship to the peoples, myself to the others, but then very difficult to complete the thing. So that here we require that more interpersonal personal relationship. So that interpersonal relationship we require, then we can do better. Otherwise, if you don't, there is a lack of interpersonal relationship among the child and teachers and others. Very difficult to complete that task. So that we require the interpersonal relationship. Then quality of the relationship. Quality of the relationship. Yeah, very they all already maybe that earlier also I have told, and now also I have told this one. Again, I am repeating that one. We don't require the more relationship with the life, but what relationship we have, we require life on that one. No, if we have too much relationship, but there is no contact, there is no relationship, just only that mouth and the counting, we have the relationship to the this, that, but there is no what actually the characteristics of relationship. Relationship means we cooperate to each other, but there is no cooperation. We are detaching to each others, but we are completing the relationship. So that means we need the quality of on the relationship. Whatever relationship we have, we require the quality. Without quality, very difficult to complete the task. So that is more important than the one. So they should maintain the relationship, and if they have the theoretical knowledge, theoretical thing, but very difficult to maintain that relationship on the theoretical knowledge. Theoretical part is different and practical part is different. But when we are going to the counseling session, we should give more difference on that theoretical practical part, so that we should leave that theoretical part. That is the more thing about this one. Then next one is that quality of the lesson. Okay, quality of the relationship we already have discussed. Then empathy. Apathy. What does mean apathy? Apathy, that there should be apathy. That is apathy is not a sympathy. It is different from. Is different from that sympathy. So that if it is not, then very difficult to complete that counseling process. People are they are not able to maintain. To be a counselor, you should maintain, but very difficult to maintain this one. Actually, that how we can say that like if you have seen the how we can understand that word apathy or sympathy. Uh, just I am giving one example to all of you. Like one SIM card, small SIM card and big SIM card. Uh, we are going to the that we have to go to the BVL part. Like we are coming to our relationship. Relationship, and that means same types of feeling. Like if someone having that brothers of husband, for a girls, the sister of husband and the sister of her, what we can say that the wife of brothers, both having the same relationship. So that is the same types of feeling. When we having the same types of feeling, that is known as apathy. And, so that we should to maintain the same type of feeling. If we are not able to maintain in the counseling process the feeling same type of feeling, then very difficult to complete the task. Then next one is the feeling. So yeah, really you should feeling one type of feeling to that. If you are not feel your student or counselee who to whom you want to sort out the problem, then very difficult to complete the task. So you should have feeling and you show that feeling to them also. If sometimes so some people having the that your emotions should be like that. That so yeah, you have feeling really some have you have the feeling along with that is to child, and really a task also should be like that. Yeah, I have the feeling, I am feeling, but I am not doing any actions. So as per the feeling you should action like that also. If you have feel, so that should be like that. Some students have disclosed the thing in front of me. Yeah, I am told, so that is very bad, but I am not acting like that, and I am not acting on the direction of their feeling. So that you should act in the direction of their feeling also. Then listening, next one is the listening. That is that also major important and major fact. So to being a uh, counselor, you should listen your counsel. If you are not listening them, very difficult to treat them. So that for treating to someone, that is because totally behavioral problem, that is not any physical problem and physical damage. So that purpose you need to understand them, you need to listen them. If you are not listening them, very difficult to understand them. If until you can understand them, then very difficult to change their behavior and something. So that is the major thing is there. Then next one is the formulate hypothesis. So what when you have listened them, when you have analyzed the problem, then as for that analysis of that problem and the area, you need to some formulate some hypothesis, so that it will be the result, it may be the result, it may be the result, the different more than one result you should formulate about this one. When you can able to formulate the result, then you can there is a chance, so yeah, out of that one will be the correct. So that characteristic, that fact also you need to formulate the result about this one. That so this is the one of the, these are the different facts and the counseling. Apart from other are also there, but we have not discussed all the things in there. But these are the different facts of the counseling. So now we are coming to the next. So that being a counselor, what is your responsibilities, so that you can maintain the counseling session. If you don't have the responsibility, very difficult to maintain the call session. Confidentially, that means whenever you are talking something, and you that should be keep confidential. If you are not you are making that highlight, that means publicly to anyone, that counsel will not share to you. So that if you really listening to the counselee, that means you should keep their whatever they are saying, that should be confidential, because it is an important responsibility of a school counselor, and it is to maintain the confidentiality of their relationship. What relationship with having the student, so no need to disclose to everywhere. And you should keep their that whatever you they are sharing, keep it confidentially, and try to share along with your friends, and to just to after analysis what we need to do, but don't share all the information. If other information you also share, then they again will to the speak to the child, then again it will go to the children. So that is the major thing is there. So that you need to, there is so many problem will be there. And so you need you need to understand, so what are the things we need to disclose and what are the thing we don't need to disclose. Information received any, and any written or otherwise verbal, if you are writing on that one, the student record must be safe. That should be safe. If that is not safe, then it will be again the problem for that one. So to being a counselor, that is your under you. So you should not disclose the information that a student has said within the context of counseling setting. If unless the disclosure are necessary, that is necessary to disclose, then you can disclose. Otherwise, please keep it you. Don't disclose everything, and keep it confidential. And being a school counselor is a process provided a safe and nurturing environment for faster, and should be, if you will not disclose, then there will be trust relationship between you and student. If you will disclose, then there will be no trust among you, you the student. So student will tell the sir is like that, madam is the same like that, so nothing to tell her to her. They will hide the thing. They will keep. They will not disclose the thing in front of you. They will not share the thing to all of you. If until they will not share, it's very difficult to change their mindset. So that is the main reason. So you should keep that thing confidential. And counseling session, this, and you should keep one record, and that should be under you, and there is some particular place where you can keep it safe. So that should be it. Then consultation, next one is the consultation. What is in the consultation? Basically consultation is a what we can say, that this is a cooperative process in which the as a teacher or as a school counselor, you assist the parent and teachers and student and administrator, but in evaluation of the problem, help the establish possible situation, solution to the issues. Like nowadays, there is a parent teachers meeting, but basically what I have in my observation, what I have found, just they are saying and their marks, and they are telling to the parent. So he or he has lose the marks. He should concentrate. That means whatever in that earlier days, the same thing is going on, but that should change. So that when you have found to the record that this is the problem this particular child having, to being a counselor, what are the step you will take, so that will be, they will be helpful, that will be helpful for them. If you are not taking any step, that will be not helpful for them. So that things we need to understand, so how that will be helpful for them. And that thing we need to discuss with the parents. So this is the problem, that mathematics, this is the marks, that SST, this is the marks. So what we can do, and what you can say from your side also, so that what is the problem, how, why not their student is very good in that one, and why this particular behavior she or he has, then you can change. So that thing you need to discuss with. But basically what I have observed in that, they are showing the grade card, they will take one signature, there is no talking at all, then they will return back. That's an parent teacher association. But that should be much more about this one. So that consultation task, to being a counselor, that should be more, so that they can enhance the teacher's sensitivity to the student problem in their personal growth, and they can demonstrate and the applications of the psychological principle. Then it will be very easy to development of the student. Otherwise, again, it will be the problem. Just guardians are coming anyhow within 5 minutes or 6 minutes. They don't have the time also. Just they will sign in the report card and they will return back. But it is not that real things for about their problem and counseling, because when they are calling that really they have some problem, sort of problem. Like to being a child, it may happen. Majority of the child, they are facing so many problems, like you also. So that is the major case. But we need to discuss so how we can do better. After when we are consultant to the parent and that student also, then next step we are going to the facilitation. So that we'll get to the facilitation. Facilitation is a leadership process in which if these are the problem in the school, as a school teacher, as a counselor, if I have find out this is the problem, then we'll organize and manage the services. So what are the service we'll give for that particular problem, so that will be issue will be resolved. So that when we are going to that services part, that will be more effective for that one. So that is the main thing is there. So that then it is the process. So that we have coming forward, just we have analyzed and we have find out as a parent, as a teachers, but we are not even going to be any actions about this direction. So then again the problem will be problem only, that is not going to be sought out. So that we have to take that decision about this. We should come forward. So this is nothing but facilitation. Then again we are coming to that third and career development. So that when we have found, then we have to think about their career development. If they will not think about the career development, and as a counselor role to play, that means career development specialist, then what is the use? Why they will do that course? If they being like majority of the student of our BEd, it will not think about their TET, then what is the use to doing that one? They will be failed. They don't know what is the concept and behind it. So their concept should be very clear. So how that should be that career, which career they are going to be that one, that should be very clear. Then they can do better. and that should be analyzed between that student, parent, and teacher, all these things. Then it will be very effective for them. So that thing will be very clear among them. So the how we can do it and how that will be very beneficial to you. So that we need to discuss about the career development. So these are the basic role and responsibility of a counselor. Again, next class we will discuss about the what is the role and responsibility of a counselee. So as a counselee, what you will do, we'll discuss in the next class. So today for that sign up. Anything from your side, then you can discuss. Hello. Hello. Anybody?
Sir.
I think yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes, Nasrin. Yes, Deepa. Anything you want to say, then you can discuss. Any sort of problem, so that apart from the problem, we can complete our counseling session also. Rajesh, how are you? Rajesh Devnath. Hello.
Hello. Hi,
Rajesh,
sir.
how are you?
Hi, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
You are playing with duck.
Yes, sir.
You are playing with duck. There is some sound of ducks are coming.
Yes, sir. There is friend.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, what are the problem
Okay,
you
sir.
have? Yeah, what are the problem you have? No problem. So we
No
can
problem, sir.
no problem.
No, sir.
Then that means I hope you are not a human being. Everybody humans having the problem.
Yes, sir.
Ask to that Solanki, she has so many problem. Ask to Bapan, she has so many problem. Ask to Sankari, she has so many problem. No, Solanki, am I right? You have so many problem.
Sir, everyone has some sort of problem.
Yeah, then that person is a human being. If they don't have the problem, that means they are not a human being.
They are God, sir. If you
Yeah,
don't have any problem.
yeah, that means if they have the problem, that means we can say that these people are the human beings, because human beings are only associated with the problem. Apart from human
Sir,
being, nobody.
life is problem create after develop future.
Yes, Lyden.
Life is problem always, but life is crossing by after future developed.
Yeah, obviously. So that means you should deal with the problem. If simply will say, sir, we don't have the problem, then that means you are not associating with
Sir,
the life.
24 hours problem, but 24 hours minus 8 hours. Only 8 hours relax.
Okay. Remaining 16 hours are problem, no?
Yes, sir. Always for every man, I think.
Okay. Yes, sir. Now our whole world is suffering from problem. Obviously, if whole world is suffering from problem, that means who will come? God will not going to come, and obviously the other animals will not going to come to sort out the problem. So that being a human being, we should sort out our problem. The problem is ourselves. Then who will come to sort out this one? So we need to sort out the problem. So we should come forward. So how to sort out the problem? But people still they are going to the inside the home, and they are not thinking about their dimension. So how they can sort out the problem? Yes, Sankari. So you should take the rest. I am that you have the time. Next, go and just take the rest so you can join the next class. Then again next session we'll discuss.